Hello and welcome to this lesson on creating a Next.js app and setting up Tailwind CSS. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js and npm or yarn installed on your computer. If you don't have install npm, node or yarn in your computer, simply you can just go the nodejs.org/yarn. You can find a download button for Windows. If you are a Windows user, then you can find a Windows download button, and if you are the Mac user, you also can find the Mac download button. So basically, after installation the Node.js, then you have to check the npm or yarn. So in this playlist we'll use yarn. If you don't have to install yarn, just please go to the Google Chrome and search yarn install global. If you are simply this one, you will find the command for install the yarn globally. So you can simply find here sudo. If you are a Mac user, then you can find the npm sudo npm install -g means global, then yarn, or then you can check the yarn version here, and that would be enough to start this playlist. If you have node, npm and yarn, you're good to go to start this playlist. So first of all, we have to install Next.js. So basically you can use you can install Next.js in 3 ways. If you go to the nextjs.org/docs, you can find the 3 ways to install the Next.js in your project. The first one is npx create -next-app at the latest. Second one is yarn create space next/app. Then third one is pnp create next app. The famous one is the first one, npx create next app. If you want to use the TypeScript version, you also find that command for installation in the bottom. We are not going to use TypeScript in this project, so we'll use the first one, npx create next app at the latest. So I'll use VS Code in this playlist. If you want to use another code editor, that also fine. You can use that. So I would recommend to use the VS Code. The command would be npx create -next-app and your app name. So in my case, the app name would be clone app. So this is my app name. Movie clone app is my app name, and create next app, that's the command. So if I press enter, then the installation process will start. So it will take some time. Just be patient until this installation process done. We already completed the installation of Next.js project. This will create a new directory. So we have to navigate this directory by writing cp movie clone app. So now we are in the movie clone app directory. If we want to open the project in the VS Code, then we have to just code r dot, then the movie clone app will replace the current one. Okay, so we are already here in the project directory. You can see, so you can see some of the new files are created here. One is the package.json. You can see the dependencies here, Next, React and React DOM, and you can see the git ignore. That's the basic file, right? I hope you already know about that, because this is not the complete beginner playlist. You already worked on the Next.js. So I just wanted to brush up your Next.js skills, and you can see the styles, the global styles file, the public files, and the pages one. So if we just wanted to run this project, then what we have to do? Tell me. Yes, you were correct. The npm run dep or yarn run dep. So the project would be running in localhost 3000. So if we go localhost 3000, okay, so finally our app is running perfectly. Now we have to set up in our project directory. For that, so we can simply search Next.js with Tailwind CSS to see Tailwind official doc. So how to install the Next.js, the Tailwind CSS in the Next.js. So basically install Tailwind CSS with Next.js. So basically we have to copy this command. So in this command, we are installing Tailwind CSS, post CSS, and the auto prefixer. All will be the dap dependency. So if I just close the command by clicking Ctrl+C. So as I told you, we will use the yarn. So just yarn add dap dependency, Tailwind post CSS, and auto prefixer. Press enter. Okay, so as you can see, we have already installed Tailwind post CSS and auto prefixer in our dap dependencies. So in the next tutorial, I will show you what font we will gonna use and how to set up the Google fonts in the Next.js, and also how to configure the Tailwind CSS in the Next.js. I hope you are done with that. So basically in the next tutorial we are moving to the next. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.